influencer in the wild.
So pretty. Look at it. Looks like a little fairy tale.
Look, the main thing is it does it look good on the gram? What you're saying?
It does. It was just for my own memories, but
This right here is my favourite tree. Look at that. Every time we do this walk, I look at this tree and I go, wow, what a tree.
it's a nice tree.
That's a solid trunk. I never get that off Jazz. And team, look at the snow today. Look at how influencing the wild. What's going on over here?
There's some nice photos, babe.
Oh yeah, look good. Do you want me? I'll make a really cool video.
Okay.
Yeah, film. You ready? And then I'll edit it all together. You ready? Ready? Give me one word to describe this scenery in snow. Look at it.
Magical.
I knew you were going to say that, and no, it's science. Magic doesn't cause this, babe.
How do you know?
Well, because scientists over time have figured out how snow is made.
Maybe we're just not clever enough to understand magic yet. Just saying.
And off went the elf into the after dropping her wisdom bomb for us all to think about. Maybe we're just not smart enough to understand magic yet.
Who's ringing me?
Oh, it must be Santa Claus.
Hello?
Can you get out the shot?
Yeah, you can do. It's snowing though.
Babe, you're still in the shot. Magic, she's vanished. How CrossFitters throw. Because it's so weak. Oh, what a video. Oh my god, wee! Whoa! Do it. I'll see if it's so, and you just go and jump around in different areas. You need to go a bit further back. You need to make it more dramatic. Yeah. Yeah. Go on, I want you to give it more in the jump. Run and big jump. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Top quality, that. Ask me a question.
Can you fly?
I'm stumped.
Oh.
There's someone over there.
Do it for the vlog, babe. Do you prefer fruit or vegetables?
I'm on the fence. It does look good though, doesn't it?
Pretty.
And if you stare up at it, wow, it's just like it's falling on you.
Think of how far the snowflake has fallen.
And off went the elf into the mist with another thing that just. This is where we're walking today. Look at that finger. Is it a sausage or a finger? Elverston Castle. Apparently, they filmed the Avengers here.
That is not a true story.
No. But down the road at another castle, not that far from us, they did film Batman.
They did. That is a true story. Yes. What's it called? Wallerton Hall.
Jazz likes the sculpted hedges in the snow.
Looks like a big cake.
A giant cake.
Maybe I'm just always thinking about cake.
1633 this was built at the start. Can you believe that?
This is a part of me. Everyone watching this is probably like, where is this going? Oh, dear.
And off went the elf into the Wonderland. Only to be seen on the next video.
Whee! Whee! You look like a news reporter.
And we're here in a blizzard of England. First ever blizzard here in England. There's a 20% chance of snow. Anyway, I was filming, and look, my fingers are froze. God damn it.
That was funny.
Scientific phenomenon here, look at that. It's snowed everywhere. Apart from like, there's just a circle here, and around there it's not snowed. I mean, I know it's water broken, but why didn't it come out to the edge? Can anyone answer? Believe it or not, when we got here, team, none of this was white. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's video of two British people in the snow. We're going to go home, drink some tea and crumpets before we head back to Hogwarts.
And off he wandered into the snow.
Snowing sideways. Like it legit, if you look at it, look, it's literally going sideways. Alright, this is pretty crazy. It's a few hours later now, team. And it's been like, Jazz and I were joking that it was a blizzard, but here in the UK, it's more snow than I've ever seen in my life. Like, not even joking. I'm legit not even joking. How old am I, babe?
28 on Thursday.
So I'm 27. In the 27 years of my life, I've never seen it this deep. Apart from obviously when we went to Norway and stuff, but look, it's like up to... We have decking out here. You can just... Wow. Oh, Carla's got her pants on too. She's doing womanly things for the first time. So we've had to put pants on her. They look good though, don't they? They don't look good. You look good in pants. Yeah, look, this is how deep it is. That's got to be like 5 inches.
I reckon that's about 6 inches of snow in about 4 hours.
And like, my hands are huge, aren't they? My hands are huge, aren't they, Carla? Look at them. Oh, wow.
Snow's to bar. I've got snow on the lens.
It's funny how a little bit of snow makes us all excited, isn't it? That's a snow fox. Oh, no, it's just a dog.
Ready? Ready?